Hey everyone, I'm Dylan Barnett, and I picked to use Pinterest for my personal learning network. I prefer Pinterest simply because it is easy to use and there's a lot of resources in education. For my article, I picked 6 EdTech to try in 2017. I know it's 2018, but these apps can still be a big help. The first app is or platform is going to be Nearpod. Nearpod allows the teacher to send out PowerPoints, quizzes, and polls to the students via iPhones or other tablets. This is a good way to keep the students focused as they will all be able to see clearly. Second is going to be Planboard. This is the app that will help organize and plan lessons. You can move these lesson plans to certain dates. Third would be Slack. Slack is a communication platform which allows students to share files and discuss topics amongst each other. The fourth would be PeerGrade. PeerGrade is a platform that allows students to evaluate each other's work while also remaining anonymous. Students can leave comments based on their work and based on the rubric that their teacher left them. Fifth is going to be Newsela. Newsela can take articles that are of higher difficult reading levels and change them into a lower reading level, depending on the type of class you're trying to teach. And then lastly would be a Sketchboard. Sketchboard allows teachers to draw a visual representation of the lesson and to better explain what is going on. Thank you guys so much for your time and have a good week.